In all my ladies or men or women, let's just sit around, get around my kitchen. So we are going to make that Haitian soup Joumou together. We used to make it every first of the new year, but this week I want to drink it, so I make it. This is my beef feet and beef meat. Put Haitian épices on it and all my dry seasoning. What I'm putting right now is ground thyme. So after I season it, mix it together. So I'm going to let it cook together and I put sour orange. The sour orange gonna make it soft, and then let it cook. So while it's cooking, if the meat is soft, I'm gonna take the meat off and then let the beef feet boiling. So right now I'm just let it cook together. So yes, and then this is my pumpkin or squash, but usually we call it pumpkin. And then peel it, take all the seed off of it, clean it, and in this water I put celery, onion, salt, and let my pumpkin to cook. And then after I let it cook, remember I told you to put salt on it and put garlic on it. And this is my vegetable. This is calling l'oseille, but I don't have the English for it. And this is coriander and carrot and navet, and I don't have the English one for it. Could be I put it in the description if I know it. And put cabbage, potato, and this is it. But not everyone want all those green on it, but to me the healthy way, I want all my greens on it. So this is how I like it. And if you don't like that much green, you don't have to put it. And after my pumpkin soft, and I'm going to blend it. So yes, this is after I blend it and put it back in the pot. And you can rinse it with some water too, but hot water. And then I put my vegetables on it, all my vegetables. So, and then after I put all my vegetables, and remember to put salt, and yes, I put some more salt and put more seasoning. And while my vegetable is cooking, I'm making my dumpling. Some people don't want it with dumpling, but my kids, this is what they want on it. They want dumpling. So yeah, according to them. But if you don't want, you don't have to put it. So I put some little bit onion and a little bit garlic and salt, and then that's it. And make my dumpling. So mix it very well, and then this is the dough for the dumpling. And then after that, this is how it look like right now. As you can see, it look like there's some green on it, and that's the way I like it. And put a little bit of Maggi, adobo. So, and then you can taste it. Put as much seasoning that you put. I put some hot pepper. It's not spicy, but I like the flavor. And now the beef feet, I add it to it because it's not completely cooked well. I mean, it's cooked, but it's not as soft as I want it right now. So I put it here first, and later on I'm gonna add the rest of the meat. And you can taste it. So this is how it look like now. And I put a little bit of pasta. As I said, this is how my kids, my family want it. My kids only want the pasta on it, okay, and dumpling. So I make it for according to my husband and my kids. But you can make it according to you. If you don't want that pasta on it, you don't have to. But hey, this is how my mom, my family used to make it. I make it the same way they used to make it. And look at my soup, family. I don't want my soup really thick. I want a little in between. And right there, this is good. This is good. I can turn my stove off because before you know it, it's gonna be too thick. Okay? And voila, family, and like it. Share it. Please continue to support it. Jesus love you. Bye.